Okay, so this is a really good question you brought up about the order of parentheses. So it's asking us about what kind of number this is going to be, whether it's odd or even, whether it's positive or negative. And what I say would be good here is if we substitute and then we use some properties to simplify, and then we see what we're left with. So we know that an odd number times an odd number is an odd number. We know that an even times an even is an even. An even times an odd is an odd. Actually, no, it's an even. And we know that because if you have something like 3 or 4 times 3, even times odd, that is 12, which is even. And we also know, of course, that negative times a positive is a negative. Negative times negative is a positive. And a positive times a positive is a positive. So first, let's substitute in A and B. So we'll just say A is a negative odd and B is a positive odd. And this is what you're wondering about here, this C term. So I'm just going to write this out again, but we can put parentheses around the C. That doesn't change anything. And that makes it a little more clear for when we substitute in here, we're actually going to get negative even within the parentheses squared. So when I write out this whole term again, we have a negative odd times a positive odd. Well, that's going to leave us with a negative, and then an odd times an odd would be an odd squared plus an even, a negative even times a negative even, because that's what it is when you square it, is going to be positive, and an even times an even is an even. Right, so you can continue to simplify this using the properties over here, and I think that was what you were getting a little stuck on. So if you have any questions on simplifying the rest of this, just leave a comment and I'll answer it as quickly as I can. Otherwise, I hope that helps out.